This kind of integrals, surely you have more than one method to do. Now here's my way of doing it. I simplify this square root into I multiply 1 minus x, both top and numerator, no? This will becomes 1 minus x, right? I times 1 minus x, both to the denominator and the numerator. So this one will be equal to 1 minus x squared dx, right? Yeah, that's obvious. Then I start with substitution. Uh, Start substitution. I let x be sine theta. The reason is obvious to get rid of the square root, right? So this one is equal to, this will be sine cube, right? This is equal to cosine. This is 1 minus sine. Dx will be cosine theta d theta. Wow. So this becomes 0 to half pi. All right, this is equal to, then this is cancelled out. It becomes 2 integral from 0 to half pi sine cube theta d theta. That's the first one. And the second one will be from 0 to half pi. This is sine fourth. Well, then this is routine calculation for basic integral. This one is equal to what? This one is equal to 0 to half pi. This is 1 minus cosine. This is sine square, right? And the other sign is d cosine. It's negative. I leave negative outside. Okay, that is for this one. For this one, I just changing. This one is equal to 0 to quarter pi, half pi. This is half. 1 minus cosine 2 theta. Right? This is a sine square. D theta. Yeah. So that one is easy. This one is cosine theta. This will plus cosine cube over 3, right? From 0 to half pi. That is for this integral. For this integral is equal to minus quarter. So minus quarter, right? Integral from 0 to, this will be 1 minus 2 cosine 2 theta plus cosine square 2 theta d theta. Right? So this one is equal to 1. This is 0, this is 1, and minus 1/3. That's for this one. For this one is equal to minus 1 quarter. 1 is d theta. Theta is, that is this one. For that one is, well, this is half, right? This is plus 1/2. cosine 2 theta integral is equal to 1/2, another half, sine 2 theta, right? Sine 2 theta, yeah, that integral sine 2 theta, yeah, from 0 to half pi. And plus this. This is a minus 1/4, half 1 plus cosine 4 theta, 0 to half pi, d theta. Well, this is equal to 2/3. This is minus 1/8 pi. And this is 0, right? All the zeros. Okay, this taking 1, 2, 3. Now for the final, it's minus 1/8 pi, right? Theta half. That is integral for this one. And the next 1/8. 1/8, sorry, 1/8 pi. Yeah. 1/8 integral cosine 4 theta from 0 to this one. I change it to d4 theta, right? Times 1/4. Well, this is equal to 2/3 minus 1/8 pi. This will be minus 16. I hate these calculations. And minus 32. Right, this is sine. This is sine 4 theta. Well, I'm not very good at arithmetics, so this is 32. This is minus 16 3 pi. Wow, this is 0, right? So that's the end of it. Well, even if there is a mistake in calculations, it's okay. So mainly we are discussing the method, right? It's not really a difficult one, but it's a basic training for integrations.